Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Internet is stable and any VPN is off, because connectivity problems mimic send/receive faults. Once done, update Outlook and Windows to remove known bugs, and then toggle View Work Offline to reset the client. Make sure to restart Outlook and note the exact error code or message you see. This code directs the next steps. If there's a cached mode, disable it briefly to force a fresh server connection. Now focus on accounts and data files. Corrupted OSD/PSD files often block syncing, so run scan PSD or delete the OSD to let Outlook rebuild it. Next, remove and re-add the account, choosing manual setup if auto fails, because credentials or server strings might be wrong. Once done, create a fresh Outlook profile to isolate profile corruption. Make sure to test send/receive after each change. This isolates which step fixed the problem and prevents repeating work unnecessarily. Finish by validating server settings. Confirm SMTP, IMAP, or POP ports and the required encryption. Wrong ports stop outgoing mail. Then temporarily disable antivirus or firewall or add Outlook to exceptions because security software can intercept traffic. Once done, test sending via webmail to confirm server health. If webmail works but Outlook fails, the issue is local. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.